We'll guide you through how to fix the uninstall error the Epic Games launcher is currently running. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This error can be super annoying, so let's go and say I go and close off Epic Games, and here I'm just on the installed apps page in the settings. I'll click the three dots to the right and press uninstall, but as you can see, we go and get this error. So to go and fix this, you need to come down to the bottom of your computer. Go and click on search, and you can then go and type in Task Manager like so. Now you want to go to the top here in processes and tap on the search and go and type in Epic. Now you need to go and find Epic Games Launcher. Go and select it and click on End Task in the top right like so, and that should then go and end all of the processes. If there are any others, go and select them and press End Task. Then we can come back to the uninstall page. We can come over to the right, tap the three dots and press uninstall again, confirm our decision, and now it should go and run. As you can see, I've got a security pop-up there and it's now running. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.